Let me ask you something. What if I told you that one decision, one single financial decision that millions of people make every single day is quietly stealing hundreds of thousands of rupees from your future? And the worst part? Most people don't even see it as a problem. In fact, they feel good about it. That decision is buying a car on EMI. And before you close this video thinking it's just a car loan, everyone does it, that's exactly the point. Everyone does it. And that's exactly why most people never build real wealth. Here's how the story usually goes. Arjun just got a promotion. His salary jumped from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees a month. He's worked hard. He deserves a reward. And what better reward than upgrading from his old hatchback to a shiny new SUV? The showroom salesperson is helpful, charming, and very good at their job. They don't talk about the total price of the car. They talk about the monthly payment. Sir, it's only 18,000 rupees a month. Very affordable for your salary. And Arjun thinks, yeah, that sounds manageable. So he signs the paperwork, 5-year loan, and he drives home feeling like he finally made it. But here's what Arjun didn't calculate. And here's what most people never calculate. Let's do the math that the showroom never shows you. The car costs 12 lakh rupees. With a 5-year loan at a typical interest rate, Arjun ends up paying closer to 15.5 lakh rupees by the time it's done. That's over 3 lakh rupees paid purely in interest. Money that buys him absolutely nothing. But that's not even the real cost. The real cost is what that 18,000 rupees per month could have become if Arjun had invested it instead. 18,000 rupees every month invested consistently in a simple index fund over 5 years at a modest 12% annual return. That's roughly 14 to 15 lakh rupees sitting in his investment account. Wealth that grows, wealth that works for him. Instead, he has a depreciating asset, a car that loses 15 to 20% of its value the moment he drives it out of the showroom. By year 5, that 12 lakh rupee car is worth maybe 4 lakh rupees. So Arjun paid 15.5 lakh rupees for something worth 4 lakh rupees and gave up 15 lakh rupees in potential wealth on the side. That's not a car purchase, that's a wealth destruction machine. So why do smart people keep making this choice? Because of a tiny but powerful mental trick called payment illusion. When a big number gets broken into small monthly pieces, our brain stops seeing it as the same amount of money. 15.5 lakh rupees feels enormous, but 18,000 rupees a month? That feels totally normal. That feels manageable. Banks and car companies know this. It's not an accident. The entire financing system is designed to make you focus on the monthly number and forget the total cost and the opportunity cost. And then there's something called lifestyle signaling. We buy expensive cars not just for transport, but for what they say about us. The problem is, a car sitting in traffic looks the same whether it's owned outright or drowning in debt. Nobody sees your EMI statement, they just see the car. Rich people understand something most people don't. Wealth is invisible. It's the investment you didn't show off. It's the EMI you didn't take. It's the boring, quiet decision to let money grow instead of spending it on status. This doesn't mean never buy a car. It means buy it the right way. If you need a car, buy what you can afford without a loan or keep the loan as small and short as possible. A reliable second-hand car that gets you from A to B does the same job as a brand new SUV stuck in the same traffic. Before any major purchase on credit, ask yourself one question. What is the true cost of this decision? Not just the EMI, but the wealth I am giving up. That one question will change how you see every financial decision for the rest of your life. Arjun's story isn't unusual. It's everywhere. New salary, new car, new EMI, less wealth. The car payment trap is so common we've stopped questioning it. But the people quietly building wealth in the background, they questioned it. They chose boring over beautiful, invisible over impressive, and 10 years later, their investments are doing the talking. The most expensive thing you will ever own is the thing you bought to look rich instead of becoming rich. Think about that.